Have you ever looked at your wall clock and realized the AA battery is dead again? It always seems to happen at the worst time. But what if I told you there's a simple DIY trick that lets your clock run using almost any small 3 to 4 volt battery instead? No expensive parts, no complicated electronics. Just a recycled LED from an old light bulb and a few basic tools. This little modification might completely change the way you power your clock. Before we get started, let me know where you're watching from. Drop your country in the comments. I love seeing DIY enthusiasts from around the world. And if you enjoy creative recycling projects, make sure to subscribe because I've got plenty more coming. Now let's build it. First, grab an old LED bulb circuit board. These are easy to find from burned-out household LED bulbs. Next, take a fully charged 4.2 volt lithium-ion battery. Connect the positive terminal of the battery to the positive side of the circuit and the negative terminal to the negative side. Watch closely. Find one LED that shines bright and steadily. That's the one we'll use for this project. Now carefully cut the working LED from the circuit board using a pair of scissors or small cutters. Take your time during this step. You don't want to damage the LED because we'll be using it as an important part of today's modification. Once it's removed, set it aside. Next, grab a flathead screwdriver. Carefully remove the insulation around the LED leads so you have clean metal connections. This will make soldering much easier and give you a stronger electrical connection later. Now our LED is ready. Now grab your clock movement, also called the clock motor. Locate the positive terminal on the clock motor. Solder a wire to the positive terminal. Next, take the LED we prepared earlier. Connect the positive lead of the LED to the negative terminal of the clock motor. Then, solder an extension wire to the negative lead of the LED. Double-check every connection before moving on. Now place the clock movement back onto the front cover of the clock. Use a small piece of tape to secure the LED neatly to the plastic cover. Route both extension wires, the positive and negative, through the opening near the bottom center of the clock housing. Once everything is in place, reinstall the back cover and tighten the screws with a screwdriver. Time for the exciting part. Grab any battery between 3 and 4 volts. Connect the battery's positive terminal to the clock motor's positive wire. Then connect the battery's negative terminal to the negative wire. Listen carefully. Tick, tick, tick. The clock starts running. A simple DIY modification using recycled electronic parts. If you enjoyed this project, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves fixing things instead of throwing them away. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because next time I'll show you another amazing DIY electronics hack you can build from scrap. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.